Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making beetroot fried rice. This you're going to love, trust me, so do stick and stay. To begin with, I'm going to add some oil into my saucepan and then first fry my diced sausages. You can use any protein of your choice. With my sausages, I'm not going to season them because I find that the salt content in there is just perfect for me, okay? If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. So next, I'm going to fry or scramble my eggs. So my sausages and eggs are the only sources of protein I'm going to be using in this very simple beetroot or beet fried rice recipe, okay? But you can add any protein of your choice. The trick is to, or the tip rather, is to season your protein beforehand. And then whether you have to steam it before frying or whatever, that's up to you. But yeah. So next, I'm going to be continuing with the oil I used to fry the eggs. This is my own homemade vegetables, okay? I seasoned with a bit of salt. So the reason why I'm frying the vegetables separately is because I don't want the color of the beetroot to change the color of my vegetables, okay? So once my vegetables are fried, I'm going to also take them out of the pan and set it aside. Now let's start with our fried rice. I'm frying some diced onions. My household does not really like onions, or let me say the boys, okay? So I'm going in with also some blended garlic, ginger, and papushito. That's PT bell peppers, okay? I love the flavor they add to this recipe and especially stews, okay? So next I'm going in with my grated or shredded beetroot. So frying the beetroot with the onions will decrease drastically the earthy sort of taste in the beetroot, so you don't taste it after you use it in the recipe, okay? I went ahead to season with a bit of seasoning cube and then allowed it to fry for about 5 minutes just to make sure the beet like relaxes a bit, okay, and all the juices are released into my pan. So next I'm going in with my cooked rice. This rice was just cooked with salt, nothing more, nothing less, okay? And then I'm adding it to the mixture and then go in, stir everything together till all the ingredients are very well combined. As you can see, the color is already popping. Next, I'll go in with the things I fried in the beginning, okay? My eggs, sausages, and vegetables. And then I'll give this a good mix till all the ingredients are properly combined. This beetroot fried rice can be a perfect addition to your menu. Instead of all the time doing the traditional, or do I say normal fried rice with the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, you can also whip this up. And maybe I should say this is a healthier option, okay? So please go ahead and try it because you're going to love it. Your household is also going to love it. So like I always say in my fried rice videos, fry this carefully or properly till it's dry, okay? Because I mean, it is fried rice for a reason. I hope you try this recipe and give me feedback anytime you drop by again. Please don't forget to give me a like, share when you're done watching, and leave a comment down below. And as well, follow me on my other social media platforms. And until I bring your way another nutritiously yummy recipe, please keep blooming.